Mentah kasngi hakashiterek ubrai nopra ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society ka ken mau kerpang ya kene kasngi kum ka World AIDS Day Hamadan Polo Second Ground. Ban ai awareness ekipat ba syapang kajingpang HIV. Ha kene kasngi lashim bentalang daki samla kiba puli nurse pat kiba treatment ngubha banyarap ya ka emlang salang daka benta kene kajingpang. Menteri Sarkar uba khmi ya ka social welfare uba polling do ulalong kumu kongstan por uba Frederick Kakangor ulalong kumu sembut kongstan uba deiro u commissioner bar u secretary zongka social welfare.
Life is a road that nobody knows, but life is a road that we surely have to go. Life is a road that nobody knows, but life is a road that we surely have to go. Life, my people, nobody can ever know, cause some like a proof, like but you never learn until you grow. Ever heard it say what you think is what you're so? I don't believe it, you need tell you, I'll tell you surely know I give thanks and praises to God, if I say so. I live my life today, I won't worry about tomorrow. The past might be hard, but put on frustration in and out, but we will always have a brand new start. The truth is self, the figure of your own health was a wonderful struggle. You can't even keep your mental health, so don't you act a fool. Don't get captured, don't you be easily scooped. For when the judgment comes, you say that life is so cruel. So always stay humble, your body is your temple. Respect the environment, not just the people with them high position, but all of them are evil, evil. Life is a road, life is a road that nobody knows, but life is a road that we surely have to go. Life is a road that nobody knows, but life is a road that we surely have to go. No rest, let's hit up the best. There's no need to be the best of the best. You can stop without a little test. Let them alone and drop the inside into a head. Cause them I like a puppet, like a little track. Don't make it don't be escape. I keep on saying to myself, we really smart and want to interact and focus. Watch out for those who stop people in the back. Yes, they surely know how to crack a leg. It can just like a heart attack. But then you see what y'all feel back. You might just get left out the lion's back. Taking power to power, just let them stand strong. Never bow to any vanity. I call my meditation so high. Even best to fly it high. You slip your weak so I'm face. My national weak. So we need not to shut. But I just take care of my doubts. So we're speaking up the mind. My focus right. And each time you sing a line. Life is a road that nobody knows, but life is a road that we surely have to go. Life is a road that nobody knows, but life is a road that we surely have to go. My soul is going and going, feelings are getting heavy, beating, thoughts are screaming for freedom. My porch is never to live in peace, but first of all, my things are always been for all. Sometimes we go a little crazy when things are for the plans, but we're living around this concrete jungle where the system provides rules. Like we're still in school, but now we ain't no fools. Still we're guided by the righteous text, so we'll never be a stuck up making a path of threats. And I'm truly proud to make the world a better place. Let's bring a lesson to each and every corner of a little fire. And now we'll liberate the poor and set this on fire. And never be blinded forever and ever. So I'll just be a blessing for the rest. But with this road, it's gonna lead me to happiness. And when I'm never gonna put no ramen, cause that's the reason that I'm so smart. That knowing about my roots and culture. And this have been going on and on. That mystic feeling keep following me around. My thoughts are clear somehow. They keep on writing my vows, wondering how I can change the world for little boys and girls. Wondering how I could change the world for little boys and girls. Wondering how.
It is very distressing to hear the statistics and to know that the prevalence of HIV/AIDS is well above the national average. But on a day like today, let us pledge to be difference makers. Let us pledge to remind ourselves that where a small mind sees problems, a strong mind sees opportunities. We can and we shall.
Yes, Commissioner Division is that the office of the Commissioner of Divisions is the Ombudsman, or a kind of a grievance redressal officer who will provide a platform and will give ear to various grievances that are linked. So in that, it is extremely essential that we have this enabling regulatory environment where we are able to stand up and protect the human rights of the HIV infected, and at the same time, this will generate a momentum for fostering inclusivity and curb stigma as well as discrimination.
HIV/AIDS is preventable. As a concerned citizen, I pledge today that I will abstain from risky behavior that puts my life and others at risk. I pledge to follow and promote a healthy lifestyle and to educate others about the preventive measures of HIV infection, accessibility of free treatment, and to curb the spread of the virus. I pledge to stop HIV stigma and discrimination by learning more about HIV and sharing the knowledge with others. Thank you. Kindly resume your seats.
World AIDS Day, let community leads.